Have you ever struggled with uploading huge files to your website? Fear no more. There is a new feature in Kirby 5 that is called chunked uploads. In the latest Kirby release, uploads are sent as chunks. This ensures files of any size upload smoothly and are not limited by the server's upload max file size anymore. With chunked uploads, each file is automatically transferred in smaller parts and put back together on the server. This makes sure you're able to upload files as large as you want or the free disk space on your server allows. Kirby 5 is out now, so check it out by visiting the Instant Online demo or download your starter kit on getkirby.com/try. Thanks for watching and see you next time.